Did you know that there are people making over $10,000 per session as public speakers? If you are one of those who is wanting to explore this field in the year 2024, then don't limit yourself to just traditional methods. We are living in an era dominated by artificial intelligence. So why should the field of public speaking be left behind when there are so many AI tools available that would help you enhance your speaking skills and communication skills? Being a certified public speaker, I have curated top 5 AI tools that could be used to enhance your public speaking skills, potentially moving you up towards becoming a highly paid speaker. The first is Udily. The key selling points of this platform are personalized analytics as well as actionable feedback. Udily analyzes a speaker's audio, visual, and verbal aspects of the speech. It is great for online meetings, job interviews, presentations, and sales calls. These are the 4 key features of Udily app. The first is personalized analytics. Udily gives a detailed breakdown of the user's speech pattern while also giving details around the number of filler words being used by the speaker. The second is personalized speech coaching. What sets apart this app is that it offers one-on-one coaching from speech experts during online settings. Users will receive comments and feedback while they speak. The third is personalizing your speaking experience. This tool allows you to prepare and practice any public speaking scenario using its AI-driven settings and follow-up questions. The fourth and the last feature is tracking progress. Udily allows its users to track their progress over time, which promotes ongoing improvement in public speaking abilities. Why I recommend this tool? You can personalize the audience of your presentation, peers, technical, and business. After you practice your speech, you can ask the AI assistant to ask follow-up questions. Post your speech, you get a speaking report card that gives you analysis around how you have spoken, the use of filler words, your pace, and your tone. The best part is that this app is a free tool as a desktop application. If you've liked the content till now, please do consider subscribing. It really means a lot, motivates me to prepare more of such content. It takes hours of hard work to get you this video, and I would really appreciate if you could subscribe to the channel, because then you will get notifications for every new video that is uploaded on the channel. The second AI tool that I recommend is Aurai. Aurai is a highly rated tool by both organizations and individuals who are looking to improve their public speaking skills, overall communication skills, enhancing users' confidence, and conquer the fear of public speaking. Important features of the tool Aurai. The first is guided lessons. Aurai offers well-structured and guided lessons that guide you through your learning process, ensuring an engaging and enjoyable experience. It offers feedback on filler words, speaking speed, energy levels, and vocal clarity. The second important feature of Aurai is comprehensive speech analysis. This app thoroughly examines recorded speeches, offering immediate and precise feedback for enhancement. The third is monitored progress. Aurai offers personalized speaking lessons tailored to your current skill level, helping you make steady and relevant progress. The fourth is comprehensive skill development. Once you start using this app, emphasizes important elements of public speaking such as confidence, clarity, pacing, voice quality, and reducing the use of filler words. Why I recommend this tool is allows audio recording and playback for practice. Performance tracking provides detailed tracking of your speaking performance. The third is freestyle practice. Includes a mode for practicing speeches anytime, anywhere. Script mode allows you to practice prepared speeches by copying and pasting them onto the app. The interesting thing is that you can try this app 7 days free of cost and later pick a subscription plan. The third is Gabble. Gabble is a highly effective AI-powered tool that helps individuals enhance their speaking and listening skills in a secured environment. That's one of the key features of this app. Gabble's design fosters user growth and confidence, providing a safe space for individuals to hone and improve their communication skills. This app has received glowing reviews from its users, so I would highly recommend this one. The key features of this app are individualized feedback. Gabble offers customized feedback and guidance, explicitly targeting every user's unique needs. The second is real-time AI conversations. This tool provides a platform for engaging and interactive speaking practice, utilizing AI technology for real-time conversations. Gabble stands out for its focus on vocabulary building, helping us learn more words and improving our word choice and expressions. The fourth is providing a supportive environment for practice. A lot of times we are not comfortable practicing in front of others. So this app provides a nurturing space where users can practice and enhance their communication skills. Why I recommend this app? It provides IELTS, TOEFL, and job interview preparation section. It analyzes speeches, provides personalized feedback, and helps you sound more attractive. You can get your speech analysis done for free, and later you can opt for plan which range from 1200 INR to 1400 INR. The fourth is Verbal. Verbal is a fantastic speech writing AI assistant designed to help users become masters of verbal persuasion and storytelling. This tool stands out by providing a chat-based interface that is easy to use, allowing a user to have conversation with an AI assistant. This interaction marks the initial stage of a well-organized speech preparation tool. The key features of this tool are AI-powered chat interface, provides a conversational approach to speech practice, ensuring an engaging and intuitive process. The second is personalized speech crafting. This AI assistant guides users through thought-provoking questions to help them fine-tune their ideas, ensuring the speech suits the audience and the event. The third is expert insight. Utilizes techniques and strategies from experienced speech curators to enhance the effectiveness of the speech prepared. The next is adaptability in various situations. This tool is perfect for a wide range of speaking engagements, including professional business presentation and special events such as weddings. The last feature is accessibility and convenience. Verbal's online platform offers the flexibility to access coaching services anytime and from any location, giving you a distinct edge over traditional methods. Why I recommend Verbal? With a quick chat with an AI assistant, you get targeted questions that help you share your thoughts, audience, and your message. It has an individual plan as well as an enterprise plan. They also offer some pro features which you can use once you sign up as a free account. The fifth and the last AI tool is Virtual Orator. Virtual Orator is an advanced virtual reality stimulator platform that enhances public speaking skills by recreating authentic speaking situations. This cutting-edge tool utilizes VR technology to provide users with immersive experiences, enabling them to hone their public speaking skills by practicing their speech in front of virtual audiences. Virtual Orator offers customizable settings, allowing users to tailor their experience. This includes adjusting the venue, audience size, and behavior to create a personalized training environment. Virtual Orator offers an impressive feature with a built-in recording capability. This allows users to capture the virtual environment and themselves use a webcam. This feature is precious for people who are looking to seek feedback from others using VR headsets that you can easily access through other applications such as SideQuest and Steam. Virtual Orator offers a range of impressive features. VR audience stimulation provides a lifelike experience of public speaking scenario, enabling users to hone their visual experiences. So you will feel like you're talking live in front of an audience, which is through virtual reality. Customization options. Users can personalize their practice sessions by modifying the virtual venue, audience size, and behavior to align with his training objectives. The third is accessible to a wide range of people. Virtual Orator is compatible with VR platforms including SideQuest and Steam. It offers a range of options to accommodate users with different VR setups. As AI technology is evolving day by day, the future holds even more promising for people who want to enhance their speaking and communication skills, with further enhancements that will empower people to communicate effectively and confidently across various platforms and settings. I must say, mastering public speaking is not just a skill, it is a crucial aspect in today's professional world. The first thing that people look for in people when they're interviewing is communication skills. So that is something you cannot do without. With the power of these 5 AI tools, you can conquer your fear of public speaking. You can see yourself practicing your speeches. You can see them written by actually speech coaches and AI assistant. You can talk to them one-on-one to improve your speaking abilities, and you can overcome your fear of public speaking. With the right tools and determination, you can conquer any stage and perfect yourself to become a professional speaker who can earn $10,000 per session. If you're interested in more videos on public speaking and communication skills, do let me know in the comment section.